In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix issues with not receiving your Snapchat verification code. First, try toggling the airplane mode on, turn it on for a few seconds and turn it back off. This refreshes your mobile network and Wi-Fi connections, which can help resolve temporary network problems. If you're using VPN, disconnect from it entirely. Snapchat might block verification attempts if it detects unusual or mismatched IP addresses. And if you're still not getting the code via text message, check your messaging settings. Some devices allow you to open your messaging settings and refresh your SMS options. Look also in your Messenger app blocked numbers or spam folder to ensure Snapchat verification messages aren't being filtered. If you're still experiencing problems, the issue might be a temporary Snapchat server problem or a delay with your mobile carrier. In this case, wait a while and then request a new verification code. If the issue still persists, double check that your phone number is entered correct and that you have a stable mobile signal capable of receiving SMS messages. That's how you can troubleshoot not receiving your verification code on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.